Hello guys, thank you so much for always stopping by to watch my tutorials. Thank you so much. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. So today we are making this beautiful top. It's going to have puff sleeve on it. It's a very beautiful style that you can wear out on your jean or your skirt and you are good to go. I can see the beautiful fabric that we are using. We are using this small Ankara fabric to create this style. Very beautiful style that you are going to wear out anywhere you are going and you are good to go. So guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can also share this tutorial with your friends. Please also ask them to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this tutorial and learn from it. Please, another way for you to support my channel is for you to always watch my tutorials to the end. Please always watch it to the end, guys. So guys, let's get started now with our tutorial.
So this is our small fabric that we're using to make this beautiful style that we have a puff sleeve and canoe neck. So we'll get started with our measurement. So what I will do, I will just spread it out for us now to start with our measurement. Remember, it's a small fabric that we're using. So if you have your fabric like this, you can use it to create any style, especially like this kind of style that you want to make. So I will start with my measurement. So the width that I'm using for this top that I want to cut is 12.5. So that is the size of the fabric that we are using. So my length is 22 and that is my length. So after that, we'll now start with our shoulder measurement. So my shoulder measurement that I'm marking is 8. So I'm giving it out by 8. So this is how you go and mark when making your own. Please just watch it and watch it to the end. Just look at what I'm doing and you can do it, and you can also wear it on any clothes that you want to use, whether it's jeans or skirt. You can wear it and good to go. So my neck that I'm giving is 5. Remember, it's canoe neck that we have high neck, so that is how it will be. So my depth of my neck is 2 that I'm giving out, the depth of the neck, so that is the 2. So you just give it that round curve, and that is how you do it when making your own. So to slope my shoulder is 1 inch that I'm marking there now. So I'm giving it out by 1 inch from the shoulder to slope it down so that it will not go up. So you have to slope your shoulder because our shoulder is not too straight, so it is sloped. So that's why we are doing it like that when we're marking it. So my half length that I'm giving is 16, and that is my half length line. And remember, your half length line is where you get your waist measurement. Remember that. So that's my bust measurement that I'm marking. My bust measurement is 38, and that's my 38, adding 1 inch for the sewing allowance. So that my 1 inch that I've marked there now. So I will also get my curve to curve the armhole, and that is the curving. So after that, now just for us now to also mark our waist measurement. My waist measurement that I'm marking there now is 28. Remember, that is where I'm marking my half length. That is where you get your waistline. So that's my 28. Adding 1 inch for my dart. So I'm adding 1 inch for the dart. After that, you just add your sewing allowance. So my sewing allowance that I'm adding is 1.5. Coming to the downside of my hip is 40. I'm marking my 40 there, adding 1 inch for my sewing allowance. So this is how you go about it when making your own. Just watch every detail that you can see me doing. So I'm connecting from the bust to my waist, from my waist now to the length of our blouse, our top that we are making. So this is how you also make your own. So please always subscribe to my channel, please guys, and watch my tutorial to the end so that channel can grow and continue to support our channel. So the downside that I'm marking there, can you see what I'm doing there? I'm giving it by 1 inch so that it will curve. I don't want it to be just straight. You can see the way I'm curving the downside of it. So this is how you also do your own when making your own. So we have done with the front cutting now, measurement. So I've just cut it and use the back to also lay and cut out the back side of it. So this is how you do your own when making your own. and subscribe to my channel and watch it to the end, please, and share it to your friends also. Give it a thumbs up so that more people can see this tutorial and learn from it. Also share it to your friends, share it to your family members so that they too can learn, and also do it on your own. Have your fabric, and when watching the tutorial, just take your fabric and cut it so that you can be able to master this style, and you good to go. You know how to cut it. So we have done with the front cutting. Just for me now to use the back, so I will just lay the back down and cut out the back side of it. So this is the back side of it now, so I'm using the front to lay on it so that we will now cut. So there's no any measurement to measure again, just for you now to use that front that we have already done marked. So can you see the way I'm placing it? Adding my zipper allowance. My zipper allowance that I'm adding is 1 inch. That's what I'm adding at my zipper allowance. So the neck now that I want to mark, I'm using that the depth of my neck is 2 inch also that I'm using. So that my zipper allowance, remember, is 1 inch that I added for my zipper allowance at the back. So that is my neck. So the depth of my neck is also 2 that I'm marking. So I just want it to go round. Yeah, that's the way I use and cut the back side of it. So this is how you also go about it when making your own. Thank you so much for always watch my video, and I want you to continue to do it the same routine. Just watch my video to the end and subscribe, and also share it to your friends. Give it a thumbs up, please. So I'm cutting the back neck now. So after that, I will just open the zipper allowance also, and it's good to go. We'll go and stitch it together, and before you know, our top will be ready. So can you see what I'm doing here now? So just follow the same pattern you can see me doing, and do it. It will come out very good. And you can see the Ankara fabric that we are using. It's a smaller pieces that we are used to cut this style, and you can see that it will come out very good. And also the sleeve is a puff sleeve. We'll also show you how to make this your puff sleeve the way we are making this on this channel, on this video that you are watching. So I'm opening my zipper allowance now, so that my zipper allowance that I'm opening there now. So after that now is my sleeve. So let me just show you how it is. So can you see how it is now? So this is how it is. So that is my sleeve now that I want to cut. So I've done the neck to go and stitch it, iron it out. So can you see how it is now? So that's my neck now. So the sleeve is coming up now. So this is my sleeve. So now I want to show you how to cut it. I just want to cut everything together. The two sleeve is what I'm folding out, and I want to cut it out. And before you know, we'll go and stitch it. So what I'm showing you there, I will go and stitch it. The upper side, I will plaint it for the shoulder, and while the downside, I will just sew it and fit. So my length that I'm using there is 10.5. So that's my length that I'm using. So what I will do, just for me now, to use my scissors to open the other side of it, and go on and take it to the machine and stitch together and pass our elastic and drag it to puff out. So I will take it to the machine to go and do that now, and that is what I'm using my hand to point for you. While the upper side, I will plaint it on my machine and fix it to the body of the top, and it will be ready now. So now I've done that, I've stitched it, I've gathered it. So I want to fix the elastic now. So can you see the way I'm doing it? So just look at everything that you can see me doing, and it will come out very good the way you are seeing it. And after that now, it will be ready, fixing it on the top now. So after that now, I will just show you how it is now. So can you see how it is now? So this is the one sleeve of it, and let me show you the other sleeve. So it's out now. So we'll just take it to the machine now to go and fit on the body of our top that we are making, and it will be ready, and it's rock. You can rock
see
it
how
now.
beautiful
So this is how it is now. So can you see how it
top
is?
came out. Very beautiful top that we just made now. It has a small puff sleeve, and the fabric that we made use of, you can see how small it was, and it came out very nicely on this beautiful style that we just made now. So guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can share this tutorial with your friends. Please also ask them to also subscribe to my channel. And another way for you to support my channel is for you to watch my tutorials to the end, guys. Please always watch my tutorials to the end. So what I want you to do is for you to also make this style on your own after watching this tutorial. So if you don't understand everything, you can watch it again so that you can able to cut it on your own and rock the way I'm wearing my own on my jean. You can wear it on your skirt also. So I want to say a very big thank you to all of you for always watching my tutorials. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate you, every one of you. I really appreciate you guys. So let us continue so that this channel can actually grow big, and that's my prayer for this channel, and that I think we are going to achieve that together, guys. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'll see you again.